In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block an email address in Outlook. We'll walk through this in Outlook on the web, so you can quickly stop unwanted messages from cluttering your inbox. Start by opening your browser and searching for Outlook. In the results, look for the official Microsoft link that takes you to Outlook on the web. Click that result to open Outlook. If you're already signed in, your inbox will load. If not, you may be prompted to sign in before continuing. Once you're in your mailbox, locate an email from the sender you want to block. Click that message so it opens in the reading pane. Selecting the specific email helps Outlook target the correct address, and you'll see the toolbar and options update for that message. Now look to the right side of the message toolbar for the More Actions menu. This is the icon with 3 dots, and it sits alongside commands like reply and delete. Click those 3 dots to expand the full list of actions available for the selected email. In the menu that appears, find and click Block. Depending on your layout, it may read Block Sender. This command tells Outlook you no longer want to receive messages from the email address tied to the message you selected. A confirmation window will pop up showing the sender details you're blocking. Review it to make sure it's the address you intend to block. Then click the block option in the dialog to confirm. This step finalizes your choice and applies the block to that exact email address. After confirming, you'll see a final prompt to complete the process. Click OK. Outlook will move the selected message out of your inbox, typically to junk email, and quietly add the sender to your blocked list. From now on, messages from that address will be diverted away from your inbox automatically. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. Blocking targets the exact email address, so if a sender uses multiple addresses, you may need to repeat this for each one. If you only want to reduce clutter without fully blocking, you can mark messages as junk or create rules to file them into folders. And if you ever change your mind, you can revisit your junk email settings in Outlook on the web to remove an address from your blocked list. That's it. Search Outlook, open it, select the unwanted message, use the More Actions menu, choose Block, Confirm, and click OK. You've successfully blocked that sender and taken control of your inbox.